Taking a road trip is a great way to explore Maryland and to find some great local buys. And today, I've got two for you.
The Eastern Shore in June is wonderful. Green fields, baby blue skies, and my personal favorite, the deep purple of lavender.
Which is why we're here at Smokey Cat Lavender Farm in Federalsburg, Maryland.
Debbie Brohawn is the owner and opened this pick-your-own lavender farm in 2018.
What do you got on the agenda today?
Today, we have the Caroline County Garden Club coming for a wreath-making workshop.
Oh, nice. They have lots of material to work with.
Yes, thankfully. They will be cutting their own lavender, and then I'll show them how to put it on a wreath form.
Great. So I'm looking around. You have a lot of different varieties here. How many?
We have 9.
And do they all smell the same?
No, they're all a little bit different. There's French and English. The French have more of a camphorous, and they're better for lotions and soaps. English would be more of a culinary experience, yes.
Well, I've been snipping and picking with the ladies this morning. I think I got enough for a wreath. Look at that. Well, they've been showing me how to put these wreaths together. It's really not very hard. The one thing is, I wish we had smell-o-vision because the aroma is just fabulous. It's so nice. And by the way, this is absolutely the plainest wreath you're going to see made today. Some of these ladies have different colors, different textures. It's really sensational what they're coming up with. You're making me nervous.
Oh, sorry. You're doing great. You're an expert.
See?
Thank
See you
you.
next time.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
That was a fragrant first stop. The next one will be sweet. Just down the road, in historic Denton, is the little cafe that uses Debbie's Royal Velvet Lavender to bake up some tasty treats. Earth Tones is a vegetarian cafe and has an amazing array of breakfast and lunch options. But I'm here for a little lavender snack.
Hey, Al.
Hey, Kim.
Come on back.
Kim Wood is the co-owner and chef.
Here, Al.
Oh, thanks, Chef.
You're
I'm
very
gonna need
welcome.
this. We were just over at Debbie's place, and she told me that you use lavender in a lot of your recipes. Is
I
that
do,
right?
yes.
What kind of things in particular?
Well, today we're going to be doing a sugar cookie with lavender glaze.
Very, very nice. So I guess you're using the English lavender.
I am.
Which is the good one to
Yes.
eat. Okay. What can you have me do?
Sure, if you want to come on over here.
I'm hungry, so a little TV magic will help speed up the sugar cookie process and get us to the next step.
Here
There.
you go. All right, so we're going to do the lavender first.
The lavender will turn gray in the syrup, but Kim has another simple solution.
So to make it purple, we're actually going to do butterfly pea flower simple syrup as well.
Oh, my.
Yeah. This is going to turn it really blue, and then when you hit it with citrus, it actually turns purple. So it's like a little magic trick.
To see this trick, we add our lavender syrup,
Which is kind of green looking.
It is kind of green looking, yeah.
the pea flower syrup,
Oh, my.
You stir that up.
and finally, the citrus.
Look it.
Isn't that pretty?
It's so fast.
Yeah.
On to the glazing.
All right, cookies are done. They look beautiful. All right, Al, so we're gonna glaze them, and then we're gonna add the lavender on top.
Dunking is a little harder than I imagined,
Here you go.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Yeah, you got it.
but adding a dash of lavender on top makes these cookies perfect.
You wanna try one?
I'd love to try one.
Yeah,
That's okay.
absolutely.
Let me
Please.
pick one here.
Sure.
And they're wonderful. Oh, my goodness.
How good is that?
I love it.
Yeah,
I
it's
love
very
it.
good.
Perfect little sugar cookie and the lavender on top.
Absolutely.
Would it be okay if I took a few home?
Yeah, I'll pack them up for you.
Okay, well, thank you very
Sure,
much.
sure.
We want to thank Debbie over at Smokey Cat Lavender Farm for providing the lavender for today's cookies. And we hope that you can find the time to go out and get your own local buys. For the Local Buy, I'm Al Spoler. Joanne?
Thanks, Al. Be sure to check out mpt.org/farm for all our recipes and resources. Plus, you can watch all Farm and Harvest episodes there as well. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for show updates, pictures, and videos.
Stream anytime, anywhere with the free PBS app.